God bless you, dear students. This is your English lesson, unit number 2, War and Peace. Today I am going to share the poetry with you. The name of the poem is The Field Mouse. The writer is Gillian Clark. Students, Gillian Clark is a Welsh poet who writes in English. She lives on a small farm in rural Wales, which is a part of United Kingdom. She has published 7 books of her poems and she devotes a considerable amount of her time to sharing her love of poetry with school pupils. This poem was written during the bitter civil war which erupted in Bosnia following the breakup of the Yugoslavia in 1990s. Both Bosnia and Britain are in Europe. The Field Mouse is about this war, but it is very different from the text about war which you have read in this unit so far. The poet doesn't express her feelings by describing the war directly, but by describing a day spent on the farm cutting the hay. I hope so. Already you have read this poem because so many lessons you have completed. War and Peace, unit number 2. Students, you know the field mouse. This is a picture of a field mouse which lives in the fields and eat the grass and live in the burrows. Students, this is a meadow. Meadow is a place where the animals eat the grass and enjoy the different leaves and the branches and twigs. Students, these are the pictures of the meadows. Students, the field mouse. Summer and the long grass is a snare drum. Air hums with jets down at the end of the meadow. Far from the radio, terrible news. We cut the hay all after its wave. Break before the tractor blade. Over the hedge our neighbor travels his field in a cloud of lime, drifting over land with the chance gift of sweetness. The child comes running through the killed flowers. Students, in the first stanza, the hay cutting is depicted in a positive light. The hay is cut down at the end of the meadow, far from the radio terrible news. The distance from the terrible news leads us to expect a peaceful description of a harmless farming activity exempt from the violence happening in outside world. The opening line of the poem sets up this expectation. Summer in the long grass is a snare drum. There are some images inserted into the scene here that add a subtle feeling of discomfort and are unseen. The first of which is the sound of jet in line 2. Students, it is a sound one hears particularly if you live in a Wales, the Lake District, or Norfolk and Suffolk. The next is, of course, the terrible news of the radio, which, although we are removed from it, is still mentioned and therefore form a part of an ominous backdrop along with jet to the hay cut. The image of restlessness, relentless hay cutting is also unsettling. Often at all afternoon, its wave breaks before the tractor blade. The blade of the tractor will be shown to be instrument of death later on the poem. Students, the writer describes in the first stanza, it is summer. They are cutting hay. They can hear jets. He is walking in his fields and sprinkling lime to mark territories. And now his hand a nest of quivering mouse, its black eyes two spark burning. We know it will die and out to finish it off. It curls in agony, big as itself, and the stars goes out in its eyes. Summer in Europe, the fields hurt and terrible, and children kneel in long grass, staring at what we have crushed Before day's dawn, the field lies bleeding, the dust garden inhabited by saved walls, frogs, and nest of mice. The wrong that woke from a rumor of pain won't heal, and we can't face the newspaper. And all night I dream the children dance in grass. Students, in the second stanza, the writer describes the child is holding a field mouse in his hand. It was injured by the tractor cutting the hay. The children were kneeling in the long grass. And the third stanza, some rodents, frogs, and nests of mice are saved. It took all afternoon. She doesn't want to see the newspaper. She dreams of children dancing in field, and bones have become very weak, and she can hear gunfire. She also sees that his neighbors has become her enemy. Students, their bones brittle as mouse ribs, the air stammering with gunfire. My neighbor turned stranger, wounding my land with stone. As I told you, she dreams of children dancing in the field, and their bones have become very weak, and she can hear gunfire. She also sees that his neighbor has become her enemies. Students, these are the words meaning. Him hum makes a continuous sound like that made by bees. Hay, dried grass. Hedge, a row of shrubs. Drifting pile of. Queering, trembling. Stammering, stutter. Stammering mean a person who can't speak properly. Stammer. Brittle, easily broken. Students, here home task I have written. What times of the year is it? You know, it is a time of the summer. They are cutting hay. They can hear jets, and he is walking in the field and sprinkling lime to mark territories. Second stanza. What is the child holding his hand? His hand, you know, the mouse. How the creature injured by the tractor blades. What are the children doing in the long grass? And they were kneeling. Children are kneeling in the long grass. Third stanza. What has been saved from tractor blade? How long did the hay cutting take? What does the poet not? What to see at the end of the day? What does the poet dream of that night? You know, students, in the first stanza, the writer described some rodents, frogs, and nest of the mice are saved. It took time was afternoon, and she doesn't want to see the newspaper. She dreams of children dancing in the field. That was a desire of the writer, and their bones have become very weak, and she can hear gunfire. She also sees that his neighbors has become has become her enemy. Students, it makes her think that war and innocent people being bombarded, as grass was moving with the air, so it looked like waves. As a wave crashes on the shore, it portrays a picture of the destruction. The clouds of lime land on the poet field too. The phrase suggests a strained relationship between the neighbors. It seems she's comparing flowers which were cut with the children killed in the war. I think the mouse is querying as it is fatally wounded. It makes us feel pity, and for mouse, the lime makes us see the destruction of life, and the feel the horror of it. The children in Bosnia may be staring at the bodies of the people killed by the war. It could mean that we have destroyed many beautiful and essential things. The word bleeding suggests that she is still thinking of war. It suggests the great suffering war merely